Hello everyone, good morning. I am here in Yauco, Puerto Rico, and we are going to check out this really great waterfall. It's called Salto Santa Clara. So we're going to check that out. As always, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And we've reached pretty high in altitude to get to this place. A lot of curves along the way, but we are here. We started from the city of Yauco and going all the way up, and now we're going to check it out. It's much cooler up here. Like, I was checking through the car's thermometer or thermostat, I don't know what to call it. Said it was like 76 degrees, and down in the city we're looking at 90 degrees, so definitely a lot cooler up here. But it should still be a wonderful experience to check this place out. I'm not sure how long this walk is. I mean, I've already been walking for, I would say, maybe 2 minutes or so, but we were walking down here, so I know that going up it's going to be a little rougher on the legs and thighs, but that's okay. I'm hearing some water, so it looks like we're getting closer. Okay, so it seems that we have to cross this stream because I see a sign up there that says keep going this way. So it's a nice little stream here that we'll be crossing. Okay, the water is definitely cold. It is cold. Gotta keep going this way. Okay. We walked a hill there, and we have another sign that says go down this way. El Salto Santa Clara. I definitely would say bring either hiking sneakers or water shoes. I think could be fine. This one, I brought sandals today, and not the best. I don't know what to expect. Left my water shoes at home, so not good. But let's go. Let's do this. Never mind, guys. Another false alarm. We have another sign up there that says Salto Santa Clara. So we have to keep going. So we have to cross this part. So you will get wet here. So don't be scared to. Now I'll tell you what, if you're into cliff jumping, this place is awesome. Check it out. You can jump from here, you go straight into there. That is very deep, you can tell. So this little pool area is perfect to have a swimming experience. And I gotta tell you, this place looks a lot like the rainforest here in Puerto Rico. Not the rainforest here, you can see it's a blazing sun. But it is a wonderful place to refresh yourself after walking that 15-minute, 20-minute hike. And like I said before, there we go. We must keep walking. We must keep hiking. Don't know how much more, but the things that I do for you guys. I just had major slip-ups from the most slipperiest trail ever. I had to do it barefoot because my flip-flops are not working. So I basically came out of there to stop here to only find out that there is another sign that says Salto Santa Clara. So I believe this is the 4th sign that I've passed by. So definitely a much harder hike than I expected. But here we have a waterfall. That's really nice. You could really swim in there too. It's pretty deep. But there's still more to go, so I have a feeling this is the last sign we'll see. There is a big gap over there, so I'm really hoping that that's where the water falls. So let's see. Okay, so this hike is definitely not for anyone who's afraid of heights. I essentially have to basically do all of this, hold on to this cable, and go all of that down there to get this to this waterfall. I had a feeling we were at the end. I think we are, because there's a big valley there, but this is very high in elevation, and that's the only way you're gonna get down and get back up. So many people will probably quit right here, but I'm gonna continue. So I finally made it to Salto Santa Clara, or Salto Santa Clara. Looks amazing. Check it out. It took forever to get here, and I did it all barefoot, but we're here, so it's time to enjoy. Con ella tú bailarás.